Hello again, everybody. Harry Box, the Technical Trader at thetechtrader.com. It's Wednesday night, August the 19th. These are the charts of the day. Well, we had a pretty interesting day in Wall Street, really making new all-time highs in the morning and then getting crushed after the FOMC in the afternoon. It was a nasty close, but I want to highlight some stocks that did great today. CAR, one of our swing trades, popped to a new rally high, getting up to 33.80, but it backed off a point. Nevertheless, it was still up $1.20 or 4%, and the volume picked up a little bit. So it looks pretty good, and I still think it's going higher, depending on the market, of course. I'm expecting a retest of this level, 36.6.5. CGEN, one of my picks for the year, back here in December when it was trading at about the $5 range, is now 19 and change this morning, almost 20, so up about fourfold. And you can see it breaking out of this range here. It looks like it may be headed to 25, my next target. CLSK with a rising channel, looking awfully good. Popped out of a wedge today, and I think that at this point you're going to see the stock make a move towards 14. If it breaks 14 and it hit 14 today, the next target is 20. Cardiff Oncology, one of our swings, looking good. And if you take a look at the pop out of the wedge today, I think this is going to be 7.5 and then 9 short term. CRISPR broke out of a beautiful 6-week coil, and I think we're headed to 118 and then maybe 130 plus. DRIO popped out of a wedge and now it's been 3 days off out of that, up near resistance there. Might extend a little bit. I would look for probably about 27 on the next move. FCX, my copper play, beautiful chart, broke out of here, broke out again there, just broke out again, looking for 16 and 18. GRWG going ballistic and vertical is extremely overbought. Short term having gone from 8.55 to 22.88 and weak. So for me, be very careful here. The momentum is strong. I would have to put a stop under each daily low. IRTC popped out of a falling flag and exploded for a mere 33 points today, or 19%. Beautiful day. And you can see that it might be testing short term, the 218 area, maybe even as early as tomorrow. Channel top target is 230. Kirkland, man, look at this chart. Beautiful rising channel and accelerating out of the top of the channel today. Now the angle may have changed a bit. If that is the case, we should see the stock run up into the 15 range. 14 anyway. LMPX coming out of a base, it appears so. Breakaway gap, 4 days up in a row, volume increasing. There is going to be problems here at about 16, 16.5, but that's my near-term target. Then I'm looking for 19.5. NEON, a swing from a ways back, consolidating for about 6 weeks, broke out today, or it appears so. Volume picked up a bit. Next target, a retest of the high near 12 and then 14.75. OTRK, formerly Catasys, one of our swings down here that did very well, then came down, based out, and broke out again. Beautiful run up to 65 and change. That was up 11.78 today. I would think there's a possibility this stock could make it to 80. Plug in that fuel cell group is really running and running hard. It reached a new rally high, 14.35. That's the highest level seen on this stock since, I'd have to go way back to 09, so 11-year high, and there is resistance here. PSTI popped, engulfing bar, up $1.05 or 11%. You can see that the angle of ascent here broke out of a certain range, and I think we're going to test quickly about 12.5. QTRX swing is on its way. After popping and pulling back for 3 days and a falling wedge on lower volume, the OBV and volume ran up. It popped all the way up to 37.68, backed off about $1.25, but still finished up 143. I don't think it's done yet, although it is at the top of the channel. Surf Oncology broke out. I put a swing on it today. That looks to me like a stock that wants to go higher. My targets are 7.5 and 9.5. And finally, YRCW swing is working great. As you can see, the declining top line was taken out. The double top was taken out. The stock popped and consolidated for 2 days. And today was a really good day for it, up 46 cents or 11%. Needs to get a little bit better volume, but the OBV is moving up, and I expect the stock goes to first about 5.75, and then maybe even up to 7 or 8 in that range. And that's it for tonight, everybody. HB signing off.